into a Thursday, March 2nd. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And we can now make it lower profits across the board for Canada's banking sector. The TD joining the list, citing several one-time charges, a lawsuit settlement, and sharply higher provisions for credit losses for a substantially lower first quarter profit of $1.58 billion from $3.73 billion a year back. The TD putting aside $690 million for bad loans from $72 million a year ago. This will no doubt add to the complaints that Canada's cell phone rates are among the most expensive in the world. Both TELUS and Bell jacking up their international roaming rates. TELUS going from $12 to $14 a day in the U.S. and from $15 to $16 daily in other countries. Bell charges also going to $16 in most countries and from $12 to $13 a day in the States. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. A huge profit decline in the energy space, although Canadian Natural Resources is still raising its dividend by a nickel, despite reporting a Q4 take of $1.52 billion, about $1 billion lower than in the same 3 months of 2021. Oh, but then we have this, a bullish outlook for oil and natural gas production in Canada. The Canadian Association of Petroleum Producers expecting a combined investment of around $40 billion for this year. Conventional oil and gas to hit $28.5 billion, while oil sands investment is forecast to rise to $11.5 billion. And Canada might be needing a plan B for homemade COVID vaccine. Novavax, an American company that signed a deal with the feds a while back to produce vaccine in Canada, has just warned investors that it might not make the year over fears that funding from the U.S. government could be cut. And that will do it for you Thursday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.